was killed and over 20 were injured in a blast at a convention center of a Christian group in Kalamassery in Kerala's Ernakulam on Sunday morning. The explosion took place during a prayer meeting. The cause of the blast remains unknown. The police officials said that the call was received around 9 am about the blast. Top officials, including those of the Kerala ATS and NIA, reached the spot. The injured people were rushed to the Government Medical College Hospital. Around 2,000 people had gathered for the prayers. Visuals showed fire rescue and police personnel evacuating people from the convention center. Over hundreds of people were seen outside the center. One of the eyewitnesses claimed that he heard the noise of 2 more blasts. Kerala Chief Minister has called the incident unfortunate and stated that his government is gathering information about it. Kerala Health Minister Veena George has also urged all government health workers, including those on leave, to return to the work. For latest updates on the story, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.